This video is a simple tutorial of the calculated question type on Moodle. The calculated question type allows you to create numerical questions with random values for each student. The page I'm on now is the Edit Quiz page. To create a calculated question, you click on the Add Question button and choose Calculated Question at the top. And now for actually creating the question. It works through the use of variables called wildcards, which is just a word that is within brackets. My example will be the area of a rectangle, so the question could be formatted as, what is the area of a rectangle with the base of x and the height of y? Now you'll scroll down and need to put the correct answer formula. So for this problem, you type in x within the brackets and then a multiplication symbol and y within the brackets. This is simply exactly how the student would solve the problem by multiplying x times y. Then you'll most likely want to set grade at 100% because that sets the score the student will get for answering the question correctly. Below grade is tolerance, and that determines how off a student can be from the correct answer. Scrolling down, you can see unit handling, and units aren't going to be used for this video, but a brief description of what they can be used for are things like centimeters, Celsius, or Fahrenheit. Now for this page, for now, just leave everything at default except the multiple tries penalty. You'd want to set that penalty at 100% if you wanted the student to only have one chance to work the problem. But if you do wish to grant multiple tries, the penalty for each incorrect attempt can be set here. Hints can also be added at the incorrect attempts. Scrolling down, you'll see tags, but we'll skip those for now and just click Save Changes. Now for this page, just leave everything at default. This page just manages data sets and allows you to create new ones if needed, but for our purposes, we can leave it as is. Continue on to the next page. This page is what sets up your wildcards. Range of values determines what the possible numbers for that wildcard will be. So entering a 10 on the box on the left and a 20 on the box on the right will mean that the numbers will be between 10 through 20. The decimal places gives you control over how many decimal places you want in the equation. I'll put 0 to make it a whole number. Now, to create the different questions, you scroll down to Add, and you can choose to make the questions have possible repeats or create completely different questions by choosing Force Regeneration of all wildcards. Then you click on the drop-down menu and create as many different problems as you want, up to 100. Then you can view them by clicking the drop-down menu display and choosing how many you would like to see. Now it is advisable to scroll through all of the questions to make sure there isn't any red text. Sometimes the tolerance can be too tight and might cause some problems. When you're done going through that, you go to the bottom and click Save Changes, and it will take you to the Editing Quiz page. From here you can preview the question by clicking on the magnifying glass beneath the question you created. On this pop-up you can choose any variant you wish to preview by going to Question Variant and clicking 1 through 100. And that's how you create a calculated question. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.